This is why you need to avoid these common tax filing blunders. Filing in Pakistan for the first time. Let's make sure you do it right. First, don't rely on random advice. Always use the official FBR portal or a trusted tax consultant. Next, make sure your CNEC details are up to date. One typo could delay your process for weeks. Many forget to declare all their income sources. Yes, even your side gigs and freelance cash count. Double-check your bank account details. Wrong info means your tax refunds could vanish into thin air. And don't wait till the deadline. The FBR portal slows down and you don't want last-minute stress. Remember, filing as a non-filer costs you way more in the long run. Extra taxes, penalties, the works. So be smart, stay organized, double-check everything, and file early. Save this video and share it with your friends. Let's ace this adulting thing together. Thank you for watching. For more expert tips and guidance on tax filing in Pakistan, follow our channel and stay informed. Your financial success starts here.